Soothing sounds, understanding and enjoying calm audio. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very peaceful and calming topic, soothing sounds. Whether you're trying to improve your English listening skills, relax after a long day, or just enjoy some peaceful audio, understanding what soothing sounds means will definitely enhance your experience. Soothing sounds are types of sounds that have a calming and relaxing effect on people. They are often natural and gentle, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. Examples include the sound of gentle rain, ocean waves, rustling leaves, or soft instrumental music. These sounds can help create a peaceful environment, ideal for studying, meditating, or falling asleep. Soothing sounds have several benefits, especially for language learners. First, they can improve concentration by creating a calm learning environment. This makes it easier to focus on studying English. Additionally, they can reduce stress and anxiety, which is crucial for language learners who might feel overwhelmed by the challenge of learning a new language. Soothing sounds can also aid in better sleep, which is essential for memory and learning. To integrate soothing sounds into your English learning routine, try playing them in the background while studying. You can also listen to them before sleeping to ensure a restful night, which can enhance your learning abilities. Furthermore, trying to describe these sounds in English can be a great language exercise. For example, how would you describe the sound of rain in English? We hope this video has been a relaxing and informative journey into the world of soothing sounds. Remember, incorporating these sounds into your daily routine can greatly enhance your English learning experience. Stay calm, stay focused, and keep learning. Until next time, goodbye and take care.